Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how I make these earrings from buttons. So basically first thing what I'll do, I'll cut that post off with this hand saw. So I'm holding that button really safely and I'm cutting that post off, holding that with my thumb so it doesn't move, and I'm cutting off that button post off. So as you can see, I have sawed off one side of this post and I'm sawing other side off. So here's the post all sawed off. Another option to cut these posts are using these pliers, which is probably much easier than sawing them off, and as you can see it's super easy to cut the post off. Next I'll sand down these rough edges where the post was using sanding paper. So my button is all smooth now. Next I'm using this upholstery base lining fabric and I'm tracing the button out of this lining fabric. So here's my button lining. Next I'm using this earring post and I'm poking this earring post through this lining on the corner there, like that. I'll be using this glue and I'm applying this glue at the back of the button like that, and I'm gluing this so the earring goes that way, so the post is on the top there, and I have just like a line in the middle on the button, and gluing that on my button, and I will repeat all of the same technique on the rest of the buttons, and I'm leaving these buttons to dry for 24 hours. And here are my all finished earrings, all dried and securely glued. And this is the gold pair. Absolutely love it. Really cute. And this is the pair what I showed you how I made. Also very cute. Oh, this is stunning. Circle kind of pearl gold edge earrings, and these are cute also. These are my favorites, so stunning. Will be really cute for Valentine's Day, and these classic ones, superb. And now I'll try on my new button earrings. I'll link all of the materials what I used on this tutorial down below on description, and if you have any questions how I made these button earrings, please comment down below in a comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.